What's up, everybody? Got the 335i right here. Starting to do some modifications. Got the circuit works downpipe. Comes uncoated. So I've got some high temp coating, and we are going to do that right now. Here's a look at the circuit works downpipe from eBay. Gonna paint this right up. Pretty cheap. About $200 for the N55 version. Seems like things are a little bit more expensive for N55. So there's a good look at it. Oh, that's a bummer. It won't stay standing for me to paint. Yep, super bummer. So yeah, that's a look at the circuit works. $200 downpipe. Comes polished with this logo. Oh, here comes the crew going for a walk. Okay, bye nerds. Okay, so I'm gonna paint this up like this. That one little part's gonna need to be, well, almost lost it. So I'm gonna do it like that. In here we got the high temp silicone spray. That's tire shine. That's not it. That won't be effective. But here's the DEI high temp silicone coating. I don't know if you guys remember, but we did the SL65 exhaust with this stuff. Give this a good shake. Those nerds. So I'm going to give this a good shot of DEI high temp silicone coating. I just feel like this is will be a lot better for, I mean, it looks nice and everything with the polish, but I think 3 or 4 coats of this will be more effective for keeping the heat in. And I mean, you don't see this, so I don't know what the point is of having a nice badge on there. This stuff runs about, you can get it for around $10 if you really look. I got it at Advanced Auto Parts, and when you order online, you get, sometimes you can get a coupon code. Just keep this away from your other cars with overspray. And I think that 2 or 3 coats will be enough. Just remember to get all the angles. Stuff doesn't run very easily, I've noticed, so you can kind of go heavy. So there you have